recently, Lufthansa changed their contract with customers, what's called contract of carriage, to outlaw any customer using a tile device or an AirTag, Apple AirTag, to track your bags. And then there was such ridicule visited upon Lufthansa, they said, never mind, and changed back their contract of carriage. Airlines are pretty good at what they do. I know there are problems. You can tell me about the bad experience you had here, there, or everywhere. But when you consider the complexity of their operations, they generally do a good job. Are they perfect? No. Are they great? No. And with the baggage, it's insult to injury. They charge these massive baggage fees, except for Southwest, which is 2 bags free per person. They charge these massive fees, and then they lose your bag, and it's like, yeah, gosh, that happened. As I alluded to earlier, we met some people on the last cruise we went on who never saw their bags the whole cruise. The airline lost the bags, and they had what they had, and they would go to, the first port we got to, they had just the clothes they were wearing. We got to a port the second day, and they went and bought all these T-shirts, cheap T-shirts that they sell at cruise ports, and bought swim trunks and swimsuits and, ladies swimsuits stuff. And that was what they had, just the souvenir kind of clothes they bought at the first port, because they kept hoping at each port the bags would show up. Never did. And that's all they had the whole cruise is what they could buy at ports. And you're laughing.
I'm just laughing. If anyone's watching YouTube, when you were saying the woman, your hands are all over. They're swim, like it looked like you were doing like a swim pullover.
Yeah.
Like
that was pitiful. Sorry. Anyway, the luggage thing is a disaster when you're going on a tour, when you're going on a multi-stop itinerary, when you're going on a cruise. So if you insist on checking a bag, and I cannot believe the size luggage most people bring on a 3, 4, or 7-night cruise. I mean, they bring more luggage than all the clothes I own in the world. I couldn't pack. The suitcases wouldn't even be full. I mean, what all are people bringing in those giant suitcases? Anyway.
Options. They're bringing options.
Options. They should just have like a equivalent of a Clarka-form.
Yeah, a capsule wardrobe.
Yeah. So anyway, if you insist on taking this huge amount of stuff on your trip, wherever you're going, please take one carry-on with 3 days worth of clothes, 5 days worth of underwear in it, and never, ever, not ever check your medicine in a check suitcase in the baggage you take with you or the backpack you have with you. Your meds go there. And toothbrush, toothpaste.
Any electronics.
Oh, yeah, electronics. Oh, airlines, in their terms of service, what they call the contract of carriage, specifically will not cover anything of value because they know they could end up with a contractor or an employee who would have sticky fingers. And so they won't cover it. So it's got to go with you. And that's just a fact of how the business operates. Did you ever see, off topic, the thing about the Spirit employees who stole the person's stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Why would you, okay, first of all, morally and ethically, why would you steal somebody's luggage, first of all? But second, why do people have to shoot video and post on social media every last thing they do in the world.
Yeah.
Posting, hey, look, this is the jewelry we stole out of this customer's bag. It was in New Orleans. Mm-hmm. This is the jewelry, this we stole and all this. Look at this new outfit I've got. Compliments of the luggage we stole from the customer. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Anyway.
Not the brightest move.
So when do I check a bag? If you're a longtime listener, you know this isn't a trick question. It doesn't happen. If I can't take it in my carry-on in my backpack, it does not go on the trip.